Hello, how are you today? I hope you and your family are safe, healthy, and well. I want to talk to you about a new course that I designed titled Introduction to Psychology. This is a very effective course which will help you to do several things. It will help you to answer questions like, what is your goal? Not only knowing your goal, but clearly defining your goal and writing it down and then taking the proper steps to get that goal completed. Number two, it will help you to track your progress. There's many metrics, competitive analysis, A/B testing, and things along that nature, but it will show you simply how to track your progress, how to get from A to B so that you can assess yourself. That's another thing. It's very non traditional. You have a page to read, pertinent, credible information, and then there's a short exercise and or questions right after you read each page. There's only one page that you read through. And then after that, you go to another page and read and perform an exercise. And it challenges you, it inspires you, it will educate you and empower you to become a better person. Why did I create this course? Because I'm a social interactive person. When I was younger, I was shy, and then I got out of the shyness, and now I'm bold, confident, and humorous, and I love to help other people to excel in their areas of expertise. So it's not for me, it's for you. I've given myself to develop this course. Number three, how will you get there? It will help you to analyze how you're going to get from A to Z. You may be a manager and having problems with your employees now adjusting because of the COVID 19 situation of working from home. They may be less productive because of the shock of emotions concerning this great and serious change that's upon this earth today. This course will equip you to equip your team. It's vitally important. It is a win win creating situation. This is what's included in the course. Introduction to Psychology. Why is psychology useful? Number two. Number three, how psychology can be used in everyday life and the why factor. Once you understand your why, it is an anchor in your soul and a compass in your spirit and your intellect to guide you through the process of maximizing your full potential. Why? Because we're all unique. We're all designers originals. We all have specific talents and gifts, and learning psychology helps to bring those gifts to the surface so that you can be fruitful, productive, and highly effective in your area of expertise. So, number five on this is the four major objectives of psychology, how it pertains to business and marketing. Then you have number six, the importance of color psychology. Why does McDonald's use the golden arch? Why does Bank of America use its logo, the colors of red and blue? Why does Sprint use black? Why does Nike use red? Why does Home Depot use orange? Why does Lowe's use blue? The post office uses blue. Why does FedEx use purple? What do those colors mean? And reaching your target audience, getting your message across, and converting visitors to become clients over and over again, and to spread the word like fire, making it contagious. All of that is involved in this course. As you go through this course, you will discover how to bring these concepts out of theory into immediate action. Again, there's no professor, there's no one assessing it but yourself. Now, you can reach out to me through MIKE8828 at yahoo.com if you have any questions or concerns about the course. If you get stuck, I'm here to support you. But what I'm doing is an Eastern mindset concept of training. It is not Western minded. That's why I said it's not Eurocentric, it's non traditional. I shared it with someone and they were saying this and that and that and this. I said, well, you can, I don't need your permission to name this course. Life is a training course. There's no one watching over you 24/7, assessing what you do. There's no professor watching over you 24/7. You're watching over yourself. So life is a training course in itself. And the Eastern mindset is show a concept and then have the individual act it out right away. You get more out of it. You absorb it. I've been in the martial arts 47 years. Huh. Yes, some of you think I'm 30, 40, whichever, doesn't matter. I have the experience, I have the knowledge of social understanding and engagement. I've also made another YouTube video called Understanding Social Science, which psychology is a social science. So the last thing about this is number 7, it's using psychology to create quality content. Quality content is vitally important. If it's not quality content, if it's not informative, if it doesn't inspire, if it doesn't empower, it's useless. Every business has these 4 things: established authority, persuasive psychology, relevance, which equals influence. Even in the streets, gangs, mobsters, and drug dealers establish their authority. They use dark persuasive psychology to get people to get involved with calls to actions that are illegal and unrighteous. They use fear, deception, and intimidation. It's still persuasive psychology. The relevance is if someone's involved with loan sharking, they go to a loan shark. It's connected. So that's the dark side of it. Then there is the influence. That mobster, that gang leader, that drug dealer influences the user, the customer, the buyer. It's the same thing in any business. You have to establish your authority as being credible, a person with a code of ethics and integrity. You have to use persuasive psychology, aka the narrative art of storytelling. You have to be relevant. Your products and services have to connect to the needs and desires of the customer. You have to have influence. You want to influence the person to be inspired, educated, empowered to take action to buy your services and products. This is a dynamic training course. Again, it's non-traditional. So if you want to know more about it, email me at mike8828@yahoo.com. That is Mike8828 at yahoo.com. God bless you. Bye bye.